Welcome to all the parents, students, and whoever watching this video. Everywhere we are seeing panic, stress, fear, anxiety because of COVID 19 and the disease associated with it, like black fungus, white fungus, yellow fungus, pneumonia, and other breathing problems. Especially students, please listen. All these diseases are connected to microorganisms. COVID 19 is caused because of virus, coronavirus. Like that, black fungus, all of us know that the disease name is mucormycosis caused by fungus, that is fungal spores, which develop into hyphae. All the microorganisms are present in the environment. Everywhere it is present. Fungus are present in form of fungal spores. Even when I'm talking to you, it might be present in this environment as well. Everywhere they are present in air. Only thing is, we have to be hygienic. I request all of them, please follow the government rules and regulations. Please follow, adhere to government protocols. Apart from that, please maintain proper hygienic conditions at your homes, because hygiene starts from home. If you're not maintaining simple things properly, it is going to affect very badly for us and our family members. How? Let me share with you few things what we don't concentrate at home. The first one being, I request the ladies, children's, whoever is sweeping the homes, when they are sweeping the home, please make sure who is sweeping as well as who is there present in the home, all please wear mask. Please wear mask during that time. It is better because these microorganisms are present in environment as well as in dust particles. Each of our immune system strength is entirely different. Your strength might be more, my strength of immune system might be less. My capacity might be less, your capacity might be more. But if we give a small chance for these microbes to enter, they create a lot of problems not only for us, even for our family members, our neighbors, each and every person whom we are going to talk or we are going to relate it will be affected by our presence. Hence, please make sure when you're sweeping the home, please put mask. It will avoid the dust particles to enter your nose or mouth. Next, wherever you have kept your shoe stand, let it be in your storeroom, let it be out of the house, please make sure you're cleaning your storeroom or the shoe stands at least weekly thrice or twice, because dust particles are going to settle there. Because we are wearing only a pair of slippers, but we are storing many slippers and shoes outside in a stand, definitely dust particles will be settling on that. Please make sure you're cleaning them. Next very important thing at home is water tanks, which is right on top of the roof. Please make sure every week at least once you're cleaning the water tank. Why I'm saying this? Because when you open the lid of the tank and you touch with your finger the surrounding of the cap of the tank, you'll feel a slimy layer. This is nothing but algae, growth of algae. Apart from algae, definitely there'll be different kind of microbes, because in tank we have standing water. We have standing water. Standing water means what? Water is still, we are using that. There are chances of growth of mosquito larvae, which will spread different diseases in a different way. We also say them as food poisoning. So, students, please make sure that you inform your parents, you help your parents in cleaning the water tank. Next, we have our ceiling fans. Please make sure that The upper blade of ceiling fan will be cleaned weekly twice at least, or once at least. Because I'm not saying this, you can practically see in your own home. Please take a chair or a staircase, stand on that, please check your fan's upper blade. You will know how much dust particles are settled on that. So microbes are everywhere, but we have to be hygienic. Please clean the upper blade of the fan. Otherwise, when you're owning the fan while eating or sleeping, definitely the fan is revolving around with a high speed, and the dust particle will spread everywhere in your room, in your home as well. Next, please make sure you're cleaning the backside of small box like thing in refrigerators where water is getting filled. Please make sure you're cleaning that properly. Again, it is a standing water. If you leave like that, definitely there'll be growth of mosquito larvae in that. Please make sure you're cleaning your fridge as well properly, refrigerators properly, and you're cleaning that at least 15 days once. Please make sure you're frozen, that is whatever you're putting in the for frozen, right? Freezer. Make sure you're cleaning your freezers properly. When you're cooking the food, please, if you're bringing vegetables, wash it properly, wash the fruits properly before eating. And before cooking the vegetables, wash it properly. When you're bringing non-veg and storing in fridge, please make sure that you're not mixing with any other vegetables or fruits. And moreover, I request all of them, please never store any kind of vegetable food items or non-veg or fruits for more than 2 to 3 days in fridge. It is unhealthy for us. The minerals all will get evaporated. And next big thing is it will have a indirect effect on our immune system as well. Next important thing, whatever you're eating the food, please make sure you're eating on time. You're not missing out breakfast, lunch or dinner. Because if your digestive system is strong, your immune system will definitely be strong. Next thing, the vehicles whatever we are having, let it be two-wheeler, four-wheeler, let it be a scooter, bike, auto, car, whatever we are having, we are traveling, please make sure you're washing weekly once at least. And daily we are traveling, right? For that case, please make sure take a wet cloth and please clean your vehicle properly before traveling. Because we are going to ride, we are going to touch the vehicle. After coming back also, please clean it properly with a wet cloth and a dry cloth. Please make sure everyone, if you're maintaining proper hygiene with the things you're using at home, let it be utensils, glass of water, let it be anything, you're watching television, please wipe the television. Have you ever seen the television? A lot of dust particles will be there on that. Please, even if you're using a simple thing at home, make sure it is clean. The next best thing what we have to do is we have to avoid going outside unnecessarily. And people who are having cook at home, outside some lady will come and cook the food at your home, please all of you, I request, please make sure she is wearing plastic gloves in hand and wearing a cloth on her sari or dress. Because they are coming from outside, no doubt they are washing the hands, they are sanitizing the hands, they are washing the legs and coming inside. But what about the dress they are wearing? Definitely these dust particles will be on the dress also. If we take precautions in cleaning our home properly, definitely I believe we can avoid any kind of viruses coming to us from home, any kind of diseases coming to us from the home. If we are hygienic, it will definitely boost our digestive system, it will definitely boost our immune system, because digestive system is interconnected with our immune system. So let us be clean, let us be hygienic. In my next video, I am going to share with you more details about home hygiene. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and please stay hygienic. Thank you.